what are the latest numbers when it comes to the success rate of the repair procedure?
So we published an article. We were very honored that Brett Owens, the new editor of the American Journal of Sports Medicine, which is the trade journal for us, he published this as the lead article with his first editorial in March this year, a follow-up study of our repairs and compared to our reconstructions. So the reoperation rate was the same in both groups, and the success rate was the same in both groups getting back to play among those who attempted to get back to play. So 98, 99% of people that attempted to get back to play got back with both operations, and somewhere between 8 and 9% reoperation.